is ready to be used. All that remains to be done is to upload it to the security scanners. The access terminal should be located towards the top of each scanner.
Brady, we got a situation. Orcs have got a duster launch site set up, and they're gonna use it to gas the other RZs. I need you to take it out before it launches those damn dusters. Crisis averted. Nice going, Brady. Scavenge what you can and get out of there before that arrives.
Airship on the way in.
That's a scanner. Find the control panel and hack it to introduce our software. That will override it without the KBA realizing anything's wrong.
수리팀은 모래를 풀세트로 후속 차량 도착 지역에 보고하라.
Excellent. The software seems to be working. Now for the others.
Anybody heard from Whalen in this team? Together a team for the fly run. Any volunteers?
Time for number 2. Same method as before. Hack the panel.
메시지. 중앙 메시지 컨트롤에 아이디 코드로 보고하라. 차량 검사팀은 최종 점검하여 출구 장교에게 오케이.
Perfect. The override isn't tripping any alarms. I always knew the KPA reliance on technology was their weakness.
We gotta push into the next area.
감독자는 담당 팀의 성과를 대조 검토하여
This is the last one. Once you hack it, you'll be clear to ride the monorail, provided our software does its job.
감독자는 담당 팀의 성과를 대조 검토하여 선례와 함께 제출하라.
Gotta keep the pressure on those North fucks. Put together a team.
상사는 데이터를 대조하고 중앙에 생성된 문서를 보내야 한다. 상사는 데이터를 대조하고 중앙에 생성된 문서를 보내야 한다.
여기는 본부. 알아줘. 술탄 투척. 알겠어. 여기도 알겠습니다. 총격!
Excellent work, Brady. The scanners are neutralized, but the KPA have no idea anything's wrong. All that remains is to get you onto an Ashgate-bound train. Fortunately for you, I have a plan for that as well. There's an old maintenance platform nearby. It was damaged in the Troubles 2 years ago, but if you can reach it and power on the systems, the trains will register it as a valid stop. Be a lot easier than hurting yourself onto a moving train, I'm sure you'll agree. I'm uploading the location to your phone. Head over there. I need to ensure there's an empty train for you to board. Elevator to take you up. Brady, if the elevator's out of action, try and find another way up. There has to be a way. train returning empty from the shipyard. I'll be with you soon. Power on the system so the train will stop. I think it's working. The train's slowing down.
Brady, get on!
Quickly, before they notice something's wrong. This is it then. If you're detected, we're both dead. This better be worth it. Your sabotage on the scanners was effective. We're out of the red zone. This is Ashgate Yellow Zone. Collaborator district to you. This is going to be a little different to what you're accustomed to. Even the lowest ranked liaison officer gets a much better standard of living. Since they're so despised by the general populace, the authorities know they have to offer sufficient perks to make the job enticing. This is the vision the KPA sold us when they arrived. Cooperation to rebuild America and repay the debts. Here people still believe it. Or at least everyone says they do. Quickly, before they notice something's wrong. Come on, Brady! Anyway, practicalities. I doubt my colleagues will recognize your face, but the soldiers will be as vigilant as ever. I don't think I have an easy life here. I take risks every day that could see me tortured and killed, but not all wars can be won with guns alone. You think I'd get more recognition? Getting you through shouldn't be a problem. Just let me do the talking.
Crawford! And who's this?
I'm not allowed to say. He has information regarding the terrorists.
Is that right? Well, he's not on my list.
Of course he's not, but these things can't be planned for. But his information is urgent, so let us through.
Come here. Come on. I've heard things about you, Crawford. You're always pulling stuff like this. Disrespecting protocol. I'll have to report it.
Well, maybe I'll make my own report. Because I've heard things too, Harris. Like when the authorities came to take your daughter to the camps. You said she'd been killed during the Troubles. But I wonder what a search of your apartment would turn up, huh?
And I'm sick of it, you understand? Now I don't want to hear any more excuses. Get it cleaned. Today. Otherwise,
Sorry to have troubled you.
No trouble at all. None of us want that, do we? Come on, you must make your report. Another enemy made. It's only a matter of time before this all catches up with me. I need to go and fetch Parrish whilst Harris is still on duty. You should deliver your package. Just don't stay on the streets too long. You'll attract attention.
Do not be difficult. This job needs...
I'm pretty excited
Brady, you
about
in?
this parade.
I was a little worried Crawford's plan wouldn't work. He's a touchy son of a bitch, but he's useful. Now, the person I want you to take the brain to is Heather. She's a technical genius. If anyone can figure it out, it's her. I'm uploading her safe house location to your phone now. Hopefully I'll be there myself soon, if
Are you
Crawford's luck
okay?
holds out.
You look all tense and stuff.
But listen, Ashgate may be full of class, but you still have to try and get people behind our cause. Keep your eyes open for opportunities to stir things up a bit.
Liaison officers always have the chance for internal promotion. Rise to the top. Be the hero of your community.
I hear they promote guys.
I'm doing okay.
I'm good.
Can we meet up later?
Stay safe. Hey, guess what?
Hands over your head. Hey! Bottom you.
I've totally never seen you in the zone before.
Your hard work will be the bedrock of future generations. The children of tomorrow are being educated in our pioneering education camps, ready to take the reins of this great nation.
Oh, way to go, Brady. That'll help get people on our side.
Wait. 적군이 공격합니다! 이 지역은 이상이 없습니다. 다음 명령을 기다리겠습니다.
I was a little worried Crawford's plan wouldn't work. He's a touchy son of a bitch, but he's useful. Now, the person I want you to take the brain to is Heather. She's a technical genius. If anyone can figure it out, it's her. I'm uploading her safe house location to your phone now. Hopefully I'll be there myself soon, if Crawford's luck holds out. But listen, Ashgate may be full of class, but you still have to try and get people behind our cause. Keep your eyes open for opportunities to stir things up a bit.
Hey, something wrong?
Where are you?
Great work, Brady. This will help get people behind us.
적을 붙입니다. 동감이
Brady, right? I'm Wiley. Parrish called ahead. Said you'd be bringing us a Goliath brain? I don't know how the hell you got your hands on one of those. Heather's our resident expert on all things technical. She's on her way. Give me the brain, and I'll get it ready for her. Hang here. I'll be right back.
What the fuck's going on up there?
Nibs, open the gate!
Shit! Joe's hurt! Spence, you're up!
Come on, Joe. We're almost there. Spencer!
This is it. I'm gonna die. Shit,
Your
fuck,
name's
man.
not going
It
on the
hurts.
roll yet, Joe. I got you this far. Spencer, he took a rifle round, close range.
I need more light. Okay, let's have a look here. How did it happen?
Fucking Rourke came out of nowhere. We're blind without their GPS data.
I need some gauze. Come on, come on!
Guys, back up. Spence will fix it.
Just keep the pressure there. Okay, Joe, this is ketamine. You're gonna feel a bit odd. Okay, I got it. Looks like you'll be okay.
I knew it. Need a stake through the heart to kill Joe. Oh, Heather, this guy Brady's here to see you. Parrish sent him, remember?
Hey, you're Brady. I'm Heather. Sorry. So, Parrish sent you this Goliath brain for me to look at. Sounds interesting. Let's take a look. This is some piece of work. I hate to admit it, but modding this will be challenging. I'm gonna need to figure this out on something less complex.
You think this is the time to be tinkering with Joe lying there shot?
Hey, don't you think I feel it too? Spence says he'll be okay. We have to keep going.
Yeah.
Okay, Brady, I'm gonna need your help. I want a seeker brain. Should be similar enough to the Goliaths in principle, and I can experiment on that before I risk the real thing. Our stores are yours. Help yourself to anything you want.
Hey, come on, Heather. Let Parrish supply his own guys.
Wiley, it's fine. This is important.
Look, Heather, we're low as it is, and we're just giving away what little we have left.
I know, but we have to work together. Don't worry, we'll organize another raid, okay? Restock as much as we can.
There's no point in having a quartermaster if we ain't got any stuff.
We couldn't operate without you, Wiley. Don't worry, we'll sort it. Okay. I need to take a closer look at this brain. Technology involved in this brain is so advanced, but all they use it for is killing.
No problem.
I'm going home. Snakes are just looking for some trouble.
Philadelphia can be an example, a beacon to this nation's other great cities. Let's show America how to move things forward.
Excuse me.
Hey, friend. Take care.
Goliath tech teams have this month improved target recognition efficiency by 7% in all current generation Goliath models. Our anti-terror defense
I have to report you.
forced to be reckoned with.
Must have slept late. My back is killing me.
There has been a major disturbance. An investigation team has been dispatched.
As an example to others.
agricultural teams are reporting a steady increase in crop yield. Join us in expressing our thanks for the hard work of these inspiring citizens.
Nice one, Brady. This'll help build support in the district.
Keep Ashgate 5-3 as an example to others.
There has been a major disturbance.
That's it, Brady. Now the people are starting to notice our actions in the zone. Keep it up.
Brady, the transceiver is somewhere inside that department. Get in there and hack the KPA network. I can use their signal to work on how to best communicate with our Goliath once it's operational.
There has been terrorist activity in this sector. Please stay calm and assist our investigation.
Holy shit!
Terrorists are active in this zone. Stay calm and stay as always in your duties.
Here we go. Look out! Look out! Get out of here.
There has been a major terrorist incident in this zone. Please stay calm and assist all police officers.
Fuck! Everybody move! Get out of here! Holy shit! Holy shit!
There has been a disturbance in your sector. Police officers
Holy
are
shit!
en route.
Jesus! Fuck! Everybody move! Get out of here!
There
Jesus!
has been a disturbance in this sector. Please remain very calm.
Fuck! Everybody move! Get out of here! Get down! Get down! Holy shit! Jesus! Look out! Look out! Fuck! Everybody move! Get out of here! Fuck! Everybody move! Get out of here! Get down! Get down!
There has been terrorist activity in this zone. Please stay calm and report anyone suspicious. There has been a major terrorist incident in this zone. Please stay calm and assist all police officers.
Philadelphia can be an example, a beacon to this nation's other great cities. Let's show America how to move things forward.